Hello everybody, this is a step-by-step instruction guide for how to navigate Zoom on a computer. I will first take you through a slideshow presentation with step-by-step instructions. Please feel free to pause this video at any point to give yourself time to walk through the steps with me. This video is presented by the Japanese Cultural and Community Center of Northern California. So the first thing I will be going over is how to join a Zoom call using the meeting URL or link. So, when you get a Zoom invitation, you will see something similar to what is shown on the screen. On the top, you can see who is inviting you. Then you can see the topic of the meeting, the time of the Zoom meeting is occurring, as well as the time zone. Then you will see the words Join Zoom Meeting. Underneath that will be the link that you click. This link will take you directly to the Zoom meeting. After you click this link, it should take you to this page here. You will be asked if you want to open Zoom. When this appears, click on the Open Zoom button. After this, it will ask you if you want to join audio. Click on Join with Computer Audio so you can hear the Zoom meeting. So now I will do a live walkthrough on how to join a Zoom meeting using the invitation link or URL. So first you have to go to a web browser such as Chrome, as seen here, Firefox, right here, or Internet Explorer. If you're on an Apple computer, you will go to the Safari app that looks like what is shown on the screen here. So you will click on any of these icons or apps, and you will go to your email or any other messaging place that you are familiar with. This place should have the meeting invitation that the person scheduling the meeting sent to you. So I will show you on my email. This is my email, and you'll see something similar to what is shown on the screen here. Once again, you will see the invitation where you will find all the information about the meeting. This information includes the person who is inviting you, the topic of the meeting, the time the meeting is occurring, as well as the time zone that the meeting is in right here. Then you'll see the words Join Zoom Meeting. And so in this section, this is where you want to go. Underneath these words is the blue link that is seen here. So this link is the place you want to click to join the meeting. So once you click on this link, it will take you to this page here. It will ask you if you want to open the Zoom meeting, and so you want to click the button that says Open Zoom Meetings, located where the circles just appeared. Once you click this, it will prompt you to a pop-up that will ask you if you want to join the audio. You're going to want to click the Join with Computer Audio button so you can hear and fully join the Zoom meeting. Now I will be taking you through the steps of how to join a Zoom call using the meeting ID. So going back to the Zoom invitation, you can see that there is a URL here, and then there is more information on the bottom. This is where the 11-digit meeting ID is located. Sometimes there will also be a password that you would input after joining with the meeting ID. So, if you want to join the Zoom call using the meeting ID, first go to the Zoom website. You do this by going to your web browser and typing zoom.us, and it should take you to the screen shown here. Once you get to the website, you then click Join a Meeting, which can be found in the upper right-hand corner. It should then take you to this page shown on the screen. You then must enter your 11-digit meeting ID and tap Join. After you type Join, it may ask you for a password. Type the given password in the place provided. So now I will be doing a live walkthrough on how to join the Zoom meeting through using the meeting ID. So just like before, you're going to click on a web browser. And so a web browser includes icons such as Safari, if you have an Apple computer, Chrome, like this icon here. You might see Firefox, that is also an acceptable browser shown here, or even Internet Explorer. Any web browser is fine, and so once you open it, you should go to any search site such as Google, and what you want to type in this upper box here is zoom.us. And so you're going to click that, and it's going to take you to this page here. So this page has a lot of different things. So what we want to do is join a meeting. So as you can see where the circles are right now, it says join a meeting, and you're going to click that, and it should take you to this page right here. And so going back to where you first got the invitation, if you didn't click on that link, there is more information underneath. You should find the meeting ID, and sometimes the meeting will also require a password. So here is the password as well. So you want this 11-digit number, so you are going to copy it or write it down, and what you want to do is put this 11-digit number into this place right here. So you can see that now the 11-digit number is here, and then you're going to want to push join. So then it is going to take you to this page again. This should look familiar, and you want to click Open Zoom Meetings. After you click this, if the meeting does require a password, it will give you a pop-up, and you are going to input this password. Whatever the password the meeting invitation has, and you're going to input it into that. Just like before, it will then prompt you to join audio, and you're going to want to click on the blue button that says Join Computer Audio to fully join the Zoom meeting. Now I will take you through creating a Zoom account. Like before, you are going to go to the Zoom website by typing zoom.us into your web browser. Here, the same screen should appear. This time, you should click on the orange button that says Sign Up, It's Free. After you click this button, it will ask you to fill out some information to create your account. Once you answer all the questions, your account is made. So now I am going to do a live walkthrough on how to create a Zoom account. So like before, you're going to click on any of these icons, either Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari if you have an Apple, and you're going to type in the web browser zoom.us, which is zoom.us. And so then it should take you to this page right here. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on this orange button in the right hand corner that says Sign Up, It's Free. So once you do that, then you're going to confirm a birth date. And so I'm just going to put in a random birthday, but this should be your birthday. And you're going to press continue on the right hand, which is this blue button right here. After that, you are going to sign up with an email. So I'm just going to say your email at Gmail, or whichever email that you have. Could be Yahoo, any kind of email works. And you're going to press this sign up button. It also gives you the option to sign in with Google or Facebook if you have those accounts. But if you don't have a Zoom account, you can sign up with your email and then press the blue sign up button here, right here. So after this, it's going to send to your email. And then you are going to have to log into your email and then finish the process putting in your information to make an account. But once you do that and you fill out all your information and make a password, your account should be made. Now that you have made your account, I'm going to take you through the steps on how to sign into Zoom. So you're going to go to the Zoom website where you will find this page again. Now you're going to click on the sign in button. It will then take you to this page where you can sign in using your Zoom account by inputting your email and password. Or you can also sign in using your Google or Facebook account. So now I'm going to give a walkthrough of how to sign in to your newly made Zoom account. So again, you're going to go to a web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, or Safari. And you're going to type in zoom.us again in the web browser. It should take you to this page here that you should be familiar with. And instead of doing sign up, it's free, now you have an account. So you will push sign in where the circles are now. So once you push that button, it should take you to this sign in page. You're going to input your email here, then the password you created, and then you are going to push the button sign in. Then it should take you to your account. If you forgot your password, then just click this forgot password and it should take you through the steps of creating a new one. Next, I will take you through how to create and schedule a Zoom meeting. First, you're going to do what you just did before, which was signing into your Zoom account. After you sign in, you are going to click on the Meetings tab on the left-hand side. Once you click on the Meetings tab, you are going to click on the button that says Schedule a New Meeting. It will take you to another screen where you will fill in the meeting information, such as the topic, the description if you want, when the meeting is happening, the duration of the meeting, what time zone the meeting is in, and other information below. Once you fill out all of this information, you are then going to push Save at the bottom. After this, it will take you to a page where you will find the screen below. You are going to find the place called Invite Link, where you can copy your invitation and send out to all the people in your meeting. So now I will take you through a live walkthrough of how to schedule and create a Zoom meeting. So, like before, I'll just go over it again. You're going to click Safari, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, any web browser, and you're going to type in zoom.us. So it should take you to this page, and you want to sign into your account like we did previously. So once you sign in, it should take you to this page right here. It should have your name and everything. And what you want to do is go to the left-hand side and press Meetings. Once you're at Meetings, it's going to give you this page, and you want to click this blue button here that says Schedule a New Meeting. So you click that, and then you want to fill in your information. So the topic, so we're going to say Zoom meeting as the topic, and then you can provide a description if you want. This is optional. You can say instructions for Zoom for these purposes. It could be whatever you want. And then it's going to ask you when. And so right now it's June 30th, 2020, and I'm going to put 2:30, or we're going to put 7 o'clock p.m. And so you can choose whatever time you want to schedule the meeting. Then it will do duration of the meeting, and then the time zone you want the meeting to be in. There will also be other information, but I think for now, you just want to go to the bottom and press Save right here. Once you save all the information, you're going to be prompted to this. So now, if you want to send this invitation, you're going to go to Invite Link section right here, and then there should be a place that says Copy Invitation. You're going to click that, and it should take you here, where this has all the meeting information ID, and you want to click Copy Meeting Invitation. Once you press that, it should say Copy to Clipboard right here, and you can just paste this to your email and send it out to all of the people that you are inviting. Once it's time for the meeting, you're going to go back to this Meetings tab after you sign into your account, and you're going to press Start This Meeting. Once you press this, the meeting should start, and people will be allowed to enter your meeting. And that's how you create and schedule a Zoom meeting. The last part of this slideshow is taking you through simple meeting controls while you're in a Zoom meeting. The meeting controls are shown on the bottom of the screen. To access these controls, you have to move your mouse around so it pops up on the bottom. One important function is the microphone icon on the bottom left corner. If there is a red line across the microphone icon, it means you are muted and no one in the meeting can hear you. If there is no line across the microphone, that means the people in the meeting can hear your audio. General Zoom meeting rules is to mute yourself when you're not talking to limit any background noises that may disrupt the meeting. Another important control is the video camera icon right next to the microphone icon. Just like the microphone icon, if there is a red line across the video camera icon, it means you are not showing your video. If there is no red line, that means your video is on and people in the meeting can see you. The next important control is how to leave a meeting. So when you want to leave a meeting, go to the bottom right-hand corner where there should be a red button that says Leave Meeting. If you are the host of the meeting, then it should say End Meeting. Either way, it is a red button located on the bottom right-hand corner. These are the basic essential controls for a Zoom meeting.